Hello friends, today we're going to see how to prepare egg drop kolambu. It's quick and easy for busy weekdays. You need 5 eggs, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped tomato and tamarind. For masala you need turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and salt. For tempering you need oil, mustard seed, cumin seed, fenugreek seed. In the bowl, add the water and soak the tamarind to get the tamarind extract. Now take a pot, heat and add the oil. When the oil is hot, add the mustard seed, cumin seed and fenugreek seed. When it starts splittering, add garlic, curry leaves and chopped onion. Saute it for 2 minutes. Then add the chopped tomato and cook another 2 minutes until oil spread. Now you can add all the masala, cook for 1 minute. Mix all together. Now you can add tamarind extract and add a cup of water. Let it cook for 10 minutes in medium flame until nicely boiled. When the oil starts separating from the curry, now you can crack the eggs. Crack the egg one at a time and let it cook for 5 minutes in the medium flame with the lid on. Cooking in the medium flame is a very important step to prevent the egg sticking in the bottom and let egg fully cook. After 5 minutes the curry is ready and you always can serve for rice and roti. Look at this guys, the curry is so delicious. Thank you for watching this video.